Every computer has its own set of buttons and ports. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the most common ones, including what they are for and how to recognize them. Some buttons are universal, like the power button, depending on the type of computer you have. It may be on the front, on the back, behind the screen, or even on the inside. When you open the lid, the power socket is where you will connect the power cord. If you have a laptop, you will have a charging port instead. Most computers provide more than one USB port, so you can plug in any devices you might need. Keyboards, printers, and USB drives are all common examples. Some computers even have USB-C ports, which can be used for many different things, not just plugging in devices. Laptops, for instance, often use the format for the charging port. If you give desktop, you will use the monitor port to connect the monitor there. There are quite a few types of monitor connections, ranging from HDMI to the USB-C style just mentioned. If you have a laptop, you can connect a separate monitor as long as have the right equipment. Just look for the display pod and plug in the appropriate cable. The Ethernet port lets you connect to the internet. If you cannot using Wi-Fi, all you need is an Ethernet cable, which you can then connect to your modem or router. If your computer has an audio jack, you can use it to plug in wired headphones or speakers. You may or may not have a disk drive, depending on how old your computer is and who makes it. The disk drive can be used to insert a CD, DVD, or Blu-ray disc if you have ports that look like this. They are for older peripherals like mice, keyboards, and printer. Newer versions of these devices usually connect via USB or wirelessly that covers the basics of buttons and ports, of course. Every computer is different in technology. I'm always changing to find out what option you have taken a closer look at your computer.